In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the switch function in Google Sheets. To get started, open your Google Sheets file and enter your data into the worksheet. This is the first part of the process because the switch function works by checking a value or expression and then returning a result based on matching cases. So before you type the formula, make sure the data you want to work with is already in place and organized clearly. It helps to keep your sheet neat so you can easily understand what the formula is referring to and what result you expect to see. Once your data is entered, click on the cell where you want the result of the formula to appear. This is the cell where you'll type the switch function. Now enter the formula like this, equals switch. Then open parentheses, followed by the structure. Expression, case 1, value 1. And then additional case and value pairs if needed, with an optional default value at the end. In spreadsheet form, that looks like this. Equals switch expression, case 1, value 1. Open bracket case 2. Value 2, close bracket. And then open bracket default. Close bracket. What this formula does is compare the expression to each case you provide. If it finds a match, it returns the corresponding value. This can be very useful when you want to replace multiple nested if statements with something cleaner and easier to read. For example, instead of writing several if functions one after another, switch lets you handle multiple possible outcomes in a more organized way. As you enter the formula, make sure each case is paired with the correct value. Also, pay attention to punctuation, including commas and parentheses, because even a small formatting mistake can cause the formula not to work. If you want the formula to return something specific when none of the cases match, include a default value at the end. That way, your sheet will still return a meaningful result instead of an error or a blank outcome. After entering the formula, press Enter to apply it. Google Sheets will then evaluate the expression and return the matching result in the selected cell. That's all it takes to use the switch function in Google Sheets. It's a simple but powerful tool for making your formulas cleaner and easier to manage, especially when you are working with several possible values. Thanks for watching.